Okay, so this software is for manpower suppliers agencies and security guard services provider manpower, and they manage their salary and attendance in this software. So here is the login. First we have to move masters section. So in the master section you can create a client. Client means you can create the client, your client in the client registration. Like if you provide the manpower to the client, then you have to create first the client. So we will create a client, and their email ID and other details you have to put, contact number, and then save. So you can edit and delete this letter. Location master. In the location master you can create the locations for the employee joinings, like this. After this you have to create some ranks in the section. Rank like the details like sales manager, gunman, security guard, office boy. These are all ranks you have to create. And after this, tax master. In the tax master we have created the slabs according to the Indian government rules. There are 3 slabs in the GST. So we have created, it will apply on the client billing system. So we have to create the tax master. Next to the item master. Item master is the item provided to the employees, like dress, like shoes, something like this. So it will be provided to the employee when their duties on the client side. And company master. In the company master, the company will put their total details here. So it will be automatically printed on the printing reports and other documents. Deduction master. In the deduction master we have some Indian rules for deduction of the salary. So EPF, ESIC, GPI, health fund, it will be deducted from the monthly salary of the employees, and then the government of India will some benefits for the employees. So we have created some deductions. And next one is bank account master. Bank account master is the bank accounts for the company. Company account will be detailed put here. So any transaction and daily expenses you can credit and debit from this account. So you can create a ledger in this bank account. So ABC account, and account holder name, account number, opening balance like this, account type saving and current account, branch, bank branch, IFSC code is the Indian code for banking system. Save. So here is the bank account registered. After this, client contract you have to create. So a client contract means that the client have registered already. They will contract you for the 1 year, 2 year period for the employees. So we have to select the client, employee type. If they want like office boy, then contract period 1 year, total employees, like they want 5. Date of contract, billing rate like hourly based system. So if 200 is the per hour system, so save. Okay, so billing rate is the monthly billing rate, if the client will pay 10,000 per employee, then we have to put 10,000 here. Save. Client contract, save. These details are here. You can edit and delete later. Masters in the client contract. Okay, the second section is the employee joining. So we will join an employee. First we will join the employee, then we will allot a job. We will join the employee here. Here is the details of the field are here. So we have put field according to the security services, security guard services, and the manpower agencies. So we have some details here. Date of joining, again father name, mother name, date of birth. These are the details you have to put. Gender. Other details you can put: nationality, contact number, alternative contact numbers, all details you have. If body measurements of the security guards, other address details, the direction details, ESIC, and if they are not applied, then uncheck this, and if you applied, then check this field. Bank account details of the employee, family and qualification details. Other details, in the other details, language known by the employee, and employee if experience, have some experience, then you can select the experience. And reference, if an employee have some reference, then you have to put here. If employee have relation with any other existing employee in the company, then just mention the name of the employee. Office use, this is office use form. Salary, basic salary, you have to mention the employee. If basic salary is the 8,000 and gross salary is 9,000. Unit proposed, job allot, and zone allotted, and rank of the employee you have to mention. Documents of the employee, like ID proof and your medical certificate, and if any mark sheet, others documents you have to submit, then you can upload from here. And all thing is ready, then you have to click on the save. Entry added successfully. So going to the employee list, so we have just added employee. Here is the 4 employee we have registered already. You can deactivate the employee here. If employee not with us, then you can deactivate the employee by searching the name also. Job allotment, after the employee joining, you have to allot a job under any client. So the employee names you have to select here. Client name, location, and joining date. Job type, we have hourly based payment system, so salary. So here is the 12 and 8 hour duties, so we will put some details here. Save. So job allotted to this employee. Now uniform allotment, if you want to allot a uniform to the employee, then just name of the employee, dress and item, select item, dress and shoes, size of the dress, and rate, remarks. Save. Okay, so it's running status showing that employee issued dress, and this amount will be deducted from their monthly salary. So it's running. When it complete, then it will be completed the status. After this, room allotment. If employee want the room accommodation from the agency, then they can also provide the room for the living. So just select the name employee and room rent, like if 1000 is the room rent per monthly, will be deducted from the employee salary. Save. Attendance details. Now employee have attendance, so select the location, select the employee, so it will be show the employee attendance per day. You can put directly to the hour, like first day he attend full day, like this. You can add directly full month attendance also at a one time. You can also edit or delete these hours attendance. Submit. Employees in the employee section, room allotment. After this, employee attendance detail. We have added attendance, so you can check the attendance report here, working hours and the work date. You can search the report here. Employee resignation. If employee resigned from the company, you can add the details here. Generate ID cards. You can also generate the ID cards of the employee. Mark all, select mark. If you want to select one employee, then just check this checkbox, and if you want to generate all ID cards, then select all. Then click on the date of issue and date of expiry of the print ID card. Select print ID card. It will print the ID card in the mentioned format, front and back side of the card. If the mandatory details are already as details here. You can print the IDs. After this, you can go to the salary section. In the salary section, select the employee name. So in the salary section, provide salary in advance. If you want to give some loans to the employee in advance, then you can add here employee name, date, amount. If you want some 50,000 in advance, per month deduction 5,000, then remark, save. So it will show the status running. This loan is running, so 5,000 will be deducted per month from their salary when salary is created. And if then complete, if 50,000 is completed, then status will be completed. Generate salary. If you want to generate the salary of the employees, then just select the location, then just select the month and fetch the details. Search. One employee is on the duty, so location, office boy, 24 hours, 3 days. Its attendance we have already put, and in the total days he have to work 30, and 8,000 is the basic pay, and gross pay is the 9,000 we have registered when employee registered. Gross earned 9,900 per hour is salary. And if we have ESIC and room allotment, if we have some deduction, then it will be automatically deducted. Advance salary 5,000 is deducted from the salary. Health fund, absent deduction, food, dress, any deduction are there, then we can deduct from here. And total deduction is just 6,500. So the salary in going in the minus 5600 because he earned only 900. Net salary is the this. Okay. You can also check with the entry, we can attendance, add attendance. We can check the full month attendance here. If some full month, we can check with the month. So if we add May salary, then it will be 8 hours per day. Total 248 hours is attended. Okay, submit, entry saved, then generate the salary of the May month, page the details, 248 hours. So his total salary is 2500 after the deduction. Okay, then save the salary created of the employee. Now we can print the salary slip for the employee. We can just search by the name. We can search by the name or employees month of the, then just check the checkbox and print the salary slip. So it will be print like this. So company name and month, all deduction and the employee details are mentioned here. And you can also print the all employees sheet like this. Select the month, get details, select the checkbox, print salary sheet. It will print in the list format, employee salary details. After this we can check with the transactions, daily expenses. The company daily expenses can also be put into the software. So you can put the expenses details here, like internet expenses, office rent, any details you want to add, then here mention here. Bank entry, if you have some bank transactions, then you can just select the bank account. So if we have transaction for 500, then name of the firm, which firm have sent or received. So we can here transaction mode cash, date, credit and debit. So we will debit, remark, save. So it will create a ledger for the balance. We have 10,000 in the balance, so it will 58 debited. After this, balance sheet, you can check the balance sheet of the bank. So you can check here, this bank details have this ledger. You can also print the check in the India. So we have check printing facility also. Billing, client billing, the employees we have provide to the we provide to the clients, so we can bill to the company. So we have one client in the contract, so office boy 5 is assigned to this company. So total billing rate is 10,000. Total days paid, billing month we have to select. We will create a May month bill. Gross amount 30 working days is the here. So 360 hours we will charge, and 9,617. And the service charge, if you want to put the service charge, then you can also mention in the percentage. Total amount is 9677. add to list. If you have multiple rank employees assigned to this client, then you can also add here. After this adding, here is the gross amount. If you want to less some amount from the employee client, like discount or anything, then you can also mention here. Total amount this, bill date is this, and the create bill generated for the client month May. You can check the bill here. Here is the bill report, print bill. You can print the bill in this format. You can customize from this according to your requirement. After this, report section, check printing, employee details. We have some employee details. If you want to print employee details on the printed document, then we can also click on the print details. So employee photo and other details we have put into the software. When registered, it will be print. It is a 4-page print, so it will be all details here. Attendance report, you can check also the attendance report, salary report, account balance sheet, bank account sheets, daily expenses report. Old employees, if employee resigned from the company, then all employees, deactivated employees will be registered, showing here. Employee deduction reports, employee deductions details will be here. You can check by the month and employee name details like this. Configuration, in the configuration section, change password is here. You can change the password of the software from here. Database backup, you can create a backup and upload to the cloud. It will be database if software will corrupt in any situation and virus happened in the software, in the system computer, then it will regularly backed up to the cloud. Send SMS, you can also send the SMS to the mobile number of the employees from here. For this, you have to purchase some APIs provided by the SMS provider in your country. So we will put the API in the software, so it will be sent to the contact number of the employees. You can also wish the birthday wish to the employees to the SMS. Okay, so that's all in the software. We can also customize with your according to your requirement. Thank you.